From 2016 till now, I have worked on multiple different SAP S4HANA implementation projects. And I am really, when the SAP S4HANA came up, I really become a fan of Fiori as an interface, because I, as an end user, also when started my career 15 years ago, I look forward that the interface should be available which actually user wants, which user can use it in the business language, and with the minimum amount of training, user would be able to do the things on the system. And that all things I found in the Fiori. But the key thing that from 2016 and now we are in the 2020, the multiple implementations which we have done, even I see other implementation also, the usage of Fiori is very less. Still people have moved to S4HANA, and within S4HANA also still they have been used, the GUI has been used, Fiori has not been adopted. So it make me to go ahead and check that what are the things why people are not using a beautiful functionalities which has been given by Fiori, why still they are going ahead with GUI. So I did an analysis. Okay, so the outcome of the analysis, I found that when I interview the multiple people and when I check into the multiple projects, is that the functional consultant, they never came across and told to the business that what actually the Fiori is and what are the key functionality and features available in Fiori. And I don't blame the functional consultants, because functional consultant themselves doesn't have that knowledge that what are the key function features are available, which would be very beautiful for the clients. And even we do a lot of developments in the GUI, many things can be done without doing a development by using a Fiori. So I thought that why it is like that. Then I came to know that when I found it out that there is no course which can tell the functional consultant, there is no particular training provided or available which can train the functional consultant about the Fiori. So Fiori, a lot of people think about that it's too technical, it's totally UI5 programming, which is true from technical part of it, but it has a lot to offer for a functional consultants also. So what I thought through that, UI5 consultants would be there, Fiori consultants would be there. They know the key feature and the functions of the Fiori. But the front ending need to be done by functional consultants. Functional consultant would be discussing with the business what is the requirement and what need to be implemented. So they should know what exactly available in the Fiori. They should know the function and features. So what I did, that I went into the multiple Fiori trainings. I explored the Fiori a lot. I did the UI5 trainings. I did Fiori security trainings. I did Fiori analytical trainings. And then from all this training, I put out the concentrate which actually require for a functional consultant, which functional consultant should know about the Fiori. So from all of this and from my experience, I came up with the course called A2Z of Fiori for functional consultant. Now, what is this course? Let's have a quick look on that. So this is the course A2Z for Fiori for functional consultant, and here you would see I have put it around 45 mini lectures, and all are straightforward small lectures which you can consume on the way, on the go, telling about from starting of the Fiori, and then take you a little deeper, but we don't go into the deep of the coding. We still stick that what are the key function and features of the Fiori, and what are the things we can do it with Fiori without writing code. So I talk about what is Fiori, why Fiori is required, what is the Fiori architecture, launchpad concepts, role concepts in the Fiori, what is the OData concepts, and then we go into the little bit deep of the security concepts, because security would be the key challenges when we implement the Fiori. Then we talk about to have a more so that the people know the more key function and features. We talk about theme designer when we went into the embedded analytics, and we also went into the designing your applications through KPI builder. So that kind of knowledge also has been provided here, and everything need to be done without coding. Then we went into the in-app extensibility, how the custom fields need to be created, how it can be added. That has been introduced here. KPI builder is there, so that with the KPI builder, new analytical applications can be launched. How the enhancements can be done. Then finally we come to the how the enhancements can be done in the Fiori. If you need to enhance application, what kind of functional specs you need to write, and how you need to write, what kind of key things you need to note it down when you're doing enhancements in Fiori applications. So that is a power pack 45 miniature lectures which would be very useful for any consultants, SD, PP, FICO, even ABAP consultant. Also, they want to have an overview of the Fiori function and features and what actually Fiori delivers to the client. This course will provide a quick spoon feeding to the people so that they can grasp the knowledge, and then they can discuss with the business with the confidence. And I have used a lot of things which need to be used to the client demo. If you're working in the pre-sales, use this training, and whatever the key feature functions has been shown, please show it to the client. It can be very useful for them. So I hope you would be able to enroll for this training. You can go and check for this training on sastrageek.com/Fiori. So from here you can enroll for this training. The price has been put at very small for that, so that we can deliver to the many people. You can straight away enroll for it, and the LMS access would be given to you. Thank you for watching this video. Parminder signing out.